Alright, y'all. Watched The Princess and the Frog last night on TV and woke up to snow this morning, so I figured it'd be a perfect day to whip up a pot of gumbo. The bad thing is I ain't got the ingredients I normally use, but we're gonna see if we can make it work with this. I got a pack of sausage cut up and an onion diced up, thrown in my skillet, and we're gonna start cooking that down. Normally I I cheat and use the Zatarain's gumbo mix just as a base though, not just pour it in the pan and call it done, but just as a starter. But we're gonna do it different this time. I am gonna cheat a little bit and use some brown gravy mix.
What are you making?
Some gumbo.
No, like what in the middle?
That's brown gravy mix. We're just gonna stir.
Can I have one?
Do what?
I want to have it on.
You wanna have it turn stirring?
Yeah.
Alright. Here you go, baby. Just don't spill it, okay?
I can do it right here.
Alright. Just don't spill it.
I don't know how much you need to make.
I just need it mixed till all them clumps is gone.
Okay. You want me to show them deep clumps?
No.
Okay.
And this is gonna be a sausage and shrimp gumbo. Thought about putting some chicken in there, but I was like, nah. My wife already made a pot of rice to go with it. Some people don't even care about having no rice in their gumbo.
I just knew my food comes closer.
Oh, I thought you was through. There you go.
Well, yeah.
Oh, you gotta get, okay. She got to get right here close to me, right up by this pot. She's trying to let y'all see. You can see a little bit.
Yeah, trying to.
She's trying to get on camera a little bit.
Little bit.
I told y'all I like to have my kids in here helping me cook.
You see the clumps?
She's trying to show y'all these clumps.
And we're trying to get them rid of.
Trying to get them rid of.
Yeah.
Get rid of them.
Or get rid of them. You know, every which way you want to go about it.
Get them gone.
And him adding them, I don't know.
Adding some I don't know. That's right, I'm going to add some I don't know.
I had no idea.
She had no idea.
Sprinkle that.
That's right. And my daughter did just say something about a sprinkle. That's a good idea. She reminded me.
Got it.
It'll taste real good with some garlic off in it. But don't use a lot of garlic because, you know.
You want to try to get rid of those.
Everybody don't like garlic.
You want to try to get rid of those.
But we like garlic around here, so we're gonna use a pretty good little bit. Yeah, get rid of those clumps, baby. Put it back in there and stir it, okay?
I'm trying to
Stir it.
Stir the what is it?
Gravy. That's not one thing.
Stir that gravy. Quit, baby. You spilling it everywhere.
Well, okay, now I got this.
Stir that gravy, baby.
Give me a rag.
A rag?
That
She done quit helping in the kitchen and started playing. Yeah, now you stirring, baby. You see how them clumps is getting gone? Mash them clumps up. Don't say that.
Come on.
Good.
Wait, what'd you say?
Die.
She trying to turn the clumps a different color. She trying to dye them red.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Yeah. See how them onions and sausages is cooking together? That's what you're looking for right there.
Sammy, that gravy needs to be at its full potential.
I'll pass this on you. Head.
No, you better not.
I'm gonna add some onion soup mix to this.
What is that?
Onion soup mix.
Delicious.
Just a packet of Lipton's onion soup mix. Throw that off in there and stir it in there real good. That's looking good, baby. Keep stirring it, okay?
How about take a nap?
She done got tired, said she want to take a nap. I figured she want to be out there playing in the snow, but no, she want to come in here and help Daddy cook gumbo.
I want to take a nap.
My oldest daughter wants to go take a nap. She helping Daddy cook gumbo too.
I didn't want to get out of bed this morning.
Alright, we got that going. We're going to add some cream of mushroom soup. Eventually, when it comes out to, yeah, there you go.
And then you mix it, I think, together. Give it all right.
Because your sausages and your onions ought to be about done. I'll try to scoop this off of this lid because that's a bite somebody wants right there.
What?
That one bite that was on that lid.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm going to add some cream of chicken soup, give it a little chicken flavor.
Chicken flubble.
Since I ain't got no chicken feet to put in it.
And look at my done.
Yeah, it's coming together. Keep on stirring it. Stir all that in real good. Look at it starting to get thick.
I trying to make sure all the fresh
Yeah.
on
Look
here.
at that. That ain't nowhere near the color of gumbo, is it?
Smelling good in the kitchen.
It
Y'all
kind
smell that?
Y'all smell that?
It kind of looks like hot chocolate.
This is my favorite thing to do with these cans, y'all. Do this back and forth. Alright, pour it in there. This that brown gravy mix. I'm gonna let her pour it on in there.
Look, this is it.
Yeah, they see it, baby girl. Pour it on in there. Pour it all in there. Yeah, just like
Get
that.
all the calories in there.
Now we getting a little bit of color to it.
There we go. Can I mix it? Now to put this on the side. Can I mix it?
Yeah, baby, you mix it here. You make the video. I'll hush.
I don't know how to make this thing.
You don't know how to mix it.
I don't know how
Make
to.
it.
Baby, just stir it up.
Stir this one.
Thank you so much. You just set them to the side over there. I'll get them in just a minute. My oldest daughter was over there
Oh,
peeling the shrimp for me. This is a little trick that a friend of mine told me. You making some brown gravy, you throw your pinch of coffee off in there.
Coffee.
That didn't pinch very well.
I want to mix
But there it is.
it. You mix it, and I think it'll come back.
And it'll strengthen up your gravy just a little bit. See? It ain't quite as dark as I normally like to make it, but it's it's working.
I could dye my hair pink. My mom would dye my hair.
We're gonna turn the heat up again and get it to a good boil. And this is the pepper we're gonna add to it. I'm gonna get one out and show you on camera and
I wanna,
get a little better.
can I do it? I'm gonna do it. I want
Also,
Chocolate
keep
scotch
it
bonnets.
chocolate. I love chocolate.
Or maybe chocolate habaneros, I'm not sure.
I think chocolate.
They're chocolate peppers of some kind.
They were sold to me as chocolate scotch bonnets. But I had a buddy of mine tell me they was habaneros.
We
So
finna eat them.
we finna eat them, that's for sure. There come the scotch bonnets. There come the heat. Oh
The
yeah.
flavor.
Oh yeah.
And you wanna keep your left feet.
Now some of y'all ain't gonna be able to eat that with them scotch bonnets in there. But these children I got gonna be able to eat it. And once you bring them scotch bonnets to a boil, and then cut them back down and let them simmer, then we'll add the shrimp. All right, y'all, we got it bubbling now. We're gonna throw some shrimps off in here. Bloop. There they went. They're gonna cool it right on down.
What was that?
Shrimps. We're gonna let them shrimps cook for a minute till they rubbery, because that's how I like them. And then we gonna show you what it's like when it's finished. All right, y'all. We got the shrimp cooked till they rubbery. And this gumbo here ought to be ready. We get a little rice. Give it a good stir. Get us a little taste test of it. Boom.